Sorry, people. She's not going to make it.
Oh, she's
taking a breather.
She's taking a breather.
Look at the vast snowy hill.
Oh, crikey, that's a big hill.
I hope you guys have your affairs in order.
Oh, God, I'm going to jump there. Down there again. I know I will. I'm going to kill myself. But that's okay. Time to take a break. Look at the people down there. Look how tiny they look.
I know.
Like a little ant. Hit them. $5 if you can hit them.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Ready? Go. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at those stupid people. Can I get acquired? Here we go.
If you hit them, I will pee my pants. I'm not even kidding you.
That'll be so funny.
We told us. Oh, she's heading right for her.
Yeah, she is.
Look at her. She's trying to control it. Look at him. Look at him looking at her like, uh-oh, is she going to hit us?
Run!
Oh, she didn't even make
little Mitty.
No, she's too nice.
move. Gosh, they're in the way. Can't they see this?
Hit that bump. Oh my God. Oh, she just missed it. Okay. Trade me. Yeah, hold on. What do you want to hit?
The bomb.
Do it.
Okay. It's a right here, right? Two lines, right?
Yeah. Not the barricade. You suck at this game.
You wanna go or?
There you go. Run, Forrest, run! So slow.